Welcome to this stunning renovated villa on the outskirts of Carvoeiro. This single-storey detached villa has been fully renovated to the highest standard, comprising of 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, all en suite, office, guest cloakroom, and open-plan living and dining area, fully fitted kitchen with breakfast bar and cooking island. The property is equipped with heating and cooling systems throughout, powered by solar panels, making it a virtually sustainable property. Surrounded by vineyards and with its own fully fenced plot with mature trees and gardens, it offers complete privacy. A stunning relocation property with countryside feeling, yet close to amenities. Let me show you round.